You know, I have driven hours and hours to find the chocolate that we use. You know, I think we're that dedicated to not changing things. And so our quality will just always remain the same, and people know that. My name is Trisha Kummerer. I'm the owner of Billy's Homemade Candies in Temple, Pennsylvania. And you're sitting in our marble table room where we make our recipes. So we still use the original line and pieces here at Billy's. So it's a two-person job normally. Someone puts on at this end, it gets coated with a bottom. It will ride up the belt here. This table is cooled so that the bottom is set by the time it gets to the fountain of chocolate. It gets coated with a fountain and then goes down the line to cool and set entirely. So it's definitely, you know, still done the old way. And as pieces break or need updating, we're very much like fabricating pieces using like local shops because there's just not anything made like this anymore. Billy and Helen started Billy's in 1935, and eventually they bought this property here and turned it into, you know, a larger scale operation where they could make candy to sell. When I was a new mom, I had a newborn baby and I just wanted a fun part-time job to get me out of the house. I ended up managing, and then I think it's a really special place. So I was honored to be able to purchase it. This is probably the favorite room in the building because you get chocolate fresh off the belt. You know, it's done by hand, but we're still getting uniform pieces. If it's something that we're making a square, like a caramel or a molasses chew, we have the old cutter. And then from there, everything gets put in our enrobing room and gets run down the line. Part of the joy of Billy's is the experience of coming into the store, picking out your own box. You know, it's generation after generation of customers, and that's something that is really special here. It always has kind of a small town, classic, you know, environment to it, and it's just kind of fun to be a part of that.